Hello guys, it's Justice here once again. Thank you for having me. Today I will be showing you how to replace your MacBook Air battery. So in case you are having issues with your MacBook Air, I just want you to watch the tutorial and follow step by step along on how to replace your MacBook Air battery. Thank you for watching and happy repair. So for this project you'll be needing two types of screwdriver. One is pentalobe screwdriver and the other one is 5T Torex driver. These are the two types of screwdriver that you'll be needing for this project. Another thing that you need to be really careful with is how to remove the battery. You have to pull it parallel to the logic board when removing, and be careful because you do not want to experience any accidental electrostatic discharge while repairing. So without wasting any of your time further, let's begin.